Hi everyone, I am Sonali. In this video, we will go through understanding credit notes, also known as refunds in Odoo 18. Let's get started. What is a credit note? A credit note is a document issued to an customer to reduce or cancel an already created invoice. It is used when customer returns goods, there is overcharging, discount needs to be applied after invoicing, and wrong product or quantity was billed. Like a simple example is, a customer was billed for 10 items but returned 2. We issue a credit note for those 2 items. When to use credit note? Like we should use credit note in the following situation, like product return, invoice correction, pricing mistake, post-sale discount, damaged goods return. Instead of editing a posted invoice, Odoo follows audit rules, so we create a credit notes. Next, we shall see how we need to create this credit note step by step. First, we need to navigate into the invoicing module, into that customer, and here the credit note. This is the one which has already been reversed. Let's select the invoice which is in posted state. Let's consider this Azure Interior customer invoice which is in posted state. Here we can see a button called as a credit note. Let's click on that. Yes. We will see a pop-up like credit note, like reason displayed on credit note. What is the reason to be displayed in the credit note? Like we shall select it as we have seen a way to use this credit note. We shall just add it as a product return, the reason, and the journal is customer invoice, and the reversal date has been set for today. We have the options like reverse and create invoice. Let's click on reverse. Yes. Here we can see the form view of this credit note is visible for us, for this customer. Let's click on confirm. When we click on confirm, the status has been changed from draft to posted. Yes. A full refund versus partial refund. What is full refund? When the entire invoice needs to be cancelled, like wrong invoice created or customer cancelled order. And partial refund when only part of invoice needs adjustment. Example, customer returns 2 out of 10 items. And we have also the credit note workflow from draft to posted, posted to reconcile. Draft means created but not confirmed. Posted means accounting entry generated. And the reconciled means linked with original invoice or payment. Yes. So concluding, credit notes are used to correct or refund invoices. Odoo does not allow editing posted invoices, so we reverse them. Supports both full and partial refunds and automatically updates accounting entries. Thank you.